Hello, NeXT community. Well, I'm definitely getting better at 3D printing, and I got a lot of projects on deck. Just assembled a bunch of Quokkas, and those are selling good. That's a new USB peripheral to NeXT, and I thought I'd show you some of the 3D projects that I'm working on. And so this all assembles into, what is it? It's like a wizard's cube back there that the unicorns are popping out of. We're time traveling here. Look at this guy. So there's all these different type of cubes. So I'm kind of running amok. Look at how precise I'm getting here. Oops, there went the benchy. And they're durable. So I've even got a soldering gun out. Uh-oh, look out. Know enough to be dangerous with one of those. We've got one of the Tesla coils. But here's the thing that's a real game changer. It is a 3D scanner and turntable. So I am looking forward to making scans, and now I can do 3D parts, as well. And next business is going good. I've got another cube coming up on deck here for Greg, and so we're going to get him taken care of. It's going to be an 030 cube. I've got a dimension cube. Daniel, I've got your mono turbo running, and I should hear from Matt any day with the caps for the turbo color. And I'm going to be doing a printer for a display in Washington, D.C. They've already got a pretty nice NeXT display I did for a couple years ago, and they'd sent a printer out. And that printer didn't work, but I think I've got a couple that came in that are good candidates for repair. And this unicorn was with one of them, which is, let's see if we can take a look here, a fluorescent bulb for NeXT laser printers. I'm going to do some research, but hopefully this is the one we need. And if we can, I don't want to break it. Hold the camera with one hand here. It's late, it's early. I don't know, my time schedule's all messed up when I get going on all these different projects. So I'm going to go try and get some shut-eye here. It's Friday, and it's 6 a.m., and I got a couple hours sleep earlier, but just trying to stay caught up, and sometimes it's hard for me to sleep with the hip. All right, so stay tuned. More Jurassic stuff to come from the black hole. Look at the detail on some of this stuff, man. It's pretty neat. So there's, like, as I say, a bunch of different cube projects. I had some kind of widget over here. It was like a keychain widget that did a bunch of stuff. There was a cube. And so this is part of a cube lamp that's going to look pretty sharp. So I'm just finishing up that printing. And I'm going to go to bed here shortly. I've kind of been falling asleep in the chair, answering emails. And I just uploaded another video for Alex showing the Quokka. We just need to make a couple minor tweaks to the CAD file, and it's nothing too major. Just we had a better quality cable, so just need to make a little bit larger diameter hole that feeds through to the PCB. At any rate, appreciate everybody's business and patience. eBay store is doing good, and I'm adding more items daily. And eventually get that website updated too. I need to have a clone. This one's cool. It's like, it's a cube, but it has like really trippy wire art in the center of it. Let's see if I can find the main drawing here. So you guys will like this. Isn't that neat? So this is what it looks like. So I think if I get this spinning fast enough, I'll be able to travel in time. What do you... Getting a little loopy here at the black hole. All right, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come daily. Appreciate everybody's business patience. Feel free to like and subscribe, or unsubscribe if you don't like what I'm doing. I can take criticism. All right, have a good day.